friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we're learning coding. What is coding? Coding is a language used by computers to perform a task, and it is also called programming. Some examples of coding are traffic lights, which we always see, video games which we love to play, and cars, etc. These require coded programs to work. Why do we need coding? It does not only help improve computer skills, it also improves communication skills, problem solving skills, trial and error, analytical thinking, and reasoning skills. Coding challenges a child to think creatively and pursue innovative solutions. When can a child code? He or she can code between the age of 5 and 7. Initially, I started with simple visual blocks, and now I have began with text-based coding. Now let me show one of my projects that I have done with simple visual blocks. This is the project that I have completed. So, the first thing I had done was set the background. I had gone to the world section and had set this background to grid. Then I went to sprites and made a new sprite, which was the dice. And I also made another sprite of a button. I set its size to 50. So then I went to the event section. I took up this when clicked. I set this to the dice. So we're telling when dice was clicked, it would play a sound, and it was. Then I went to the variable section. I took this set number block. I placed it below play sound. Then I went to maths. I picked up this random integer block. The first number was number 1 to number 6. I took the random integer from 1 to 6 as a dice has 6 faces. I then went to text and took the show title screen. Then I again went to text. I picked up this join block. Then I had taken this block. I kept it on this side of the join block. Then it is written dice shows up 1. The dice shows up equals to number. Now these two variable blocks are communicating, meaning whatever face will show up on the top, it will show dice shows up to which face. For example, dice shows up 5. Now I went to logic. I took this if command block. Then I again went from variables. I took this number block. I placed it over here. So if number is equal to 1, then this costume should change to 1. Similarly, if this number equals to 2, the dice costume will change to number 2. So this keeps happening till it reaches to 6. Then we start to do the button command. So if button click, so if it could be, for example, so it says change costume back to this costume. Similarly, this happens to all the faces till it reaches to the faces to 6. That's all. Now when I click on the run button, and if I click on this dice, the dice shows up 3. And if I click on this button, as we have given the command that if the face of the dice is number 3, then it will turn back into the normal one. See, it turned back. If I again click it, it shows up 4. Again if I press the button, it becomes normal. Again if I click it, it shows 5. Then I click on the button, it gets normal. So this is a simple app that I have done using simple visual blocks. There are more interesting apps coming up. Please like, share and subscribe.